Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is time to cook. All right guys, today I am making cheeseburger sliders. These are so delicious, and they are perfect for football season, for any time you would need an appetizer. They're just delicious, and they're super easy to make. So let me show you the ingredients I'll be using and just how to make them. So you will need 1 pound of ground beef, a half of a large onion finely diced, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, some salt and pepper. You'll need some sliced cheddar cheese and some shredded cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, some sesame seeds, and then, oh, I like to use these Kings Hawaiian sweet rolls. And I forgot to mention, you'll need like a tablespoon of olive oil. So I poured that olive oil into a cast iron skillet, and I'm going to add my onions. I'm just going to cook these onions for a couple minutes. All right, then I'm going to add my ground beef, and I'm just going to cook this until it's completely browned. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove some of this grease. But it's important to note that you want to do this before you add your seasonings. You always want to discard your grease before seasonings, or you'll be discarding some of your seasoning. All right, so once you discard your grease, I'm gonna place it back onto the fire here, and I'm cooking this on a medium to low heat. And then I'm going to add my seasonings. So I'm going to add my garlic powder, a half of a teaspoon of salt, and a half of a teaspoon of black pepper. Add my 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard. And also my 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then I'm just going to give this a stir. All right, so now I am going to slice my Hawaiian sweet rolls. And this recipe, the thing that's really nice about it is you can easily double this, triple this, however many you want to make. They're just so good, and they go so quick. So carefully, I'm going to try to evenly slice all these buns in half. All right, I'm actually going to place the bottom part of my rolls onto a sheet tray that I have lined with aluminum foil. All right, so now I'm going to use my sliced cheddar cheese. And I just find that it's easier to put the sliced cheddar cheese on the bottom, then you put your meat, then you put the shredded cheese on top. But you could use all sliced cheese on bottom and top of the meat mixture if you want. It's completely up to you. And I'm just going to break these in half so they fit nicely. All right, next I'm just going to take this meat mixture and place it on top of my cheese. I actually think I'm going to get a small spoon here and help me spread it carefully. Just kind of mash it down. And then I'm just going to sprinkle some of this cheddar cheese right on top. And then place the top buns over the top of the cheese. All right, then you guessed it, I'm gonna take a little pastry brush here and just brush the butter over top of the buns. And then I'm gonna sprinkle some of these sesame seeds right over top. All right, then bake them in a 350-degree oven for just about 12 to 15 minutes till the cheese is melted and the sweet rolls are golden brown. Look at these cheeseburger slider buns. Oh, they look so delicious. And now I'm going to cut them. I'm just going to lift them out and place them onto a cutting board. Now I'm going to place them onto a pretty platter. All right, it is time to throw down on these cheeseburger sliders. Oh yeah. If you guys make these, I can guarantee you people will just go nuts over them. They are so delicious. All right, well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.